Hey folks, just like music, your health goes up and down. And this is a new product I found. It's by Herbifair. Before I get into that, I'm going to put a link directly to Herbifair. And you can buy things from their store directly through this link. And if you use that link, you're helping me out. Yes, I'm a struggling musician, and I really appreciate that. You know what to do. Ring the bell, subscribe. Herbifair, they have all kinds of herbal powders, supplements. They have separated caps for you. This is a capsule machine. You can custom blend your own vitamins, your own minerals. This is herbal. They have herbal super bundles. They have digestive harmony. They have mushroom lovers delight. They have detox cleansing. They have athletic boost. They have wellness essentials. All the good things that are good for you and your body and your life's journey, and they're all organic, and they're all sold by Herbifair. Like I said, I'll put a link below, and if you use that link, you'll be helping me out a lot, and I really appreciate that, and I thank you very much. And subscribe. I'm going to have some more videos, and ring the bell. Thanks a lot, people. Have a good day.